morning, I'm Daryl Ponton. Thanks for joining me today. Today I got a little scrapping project I'm going to work on. I'm going to tear apart a few motors and a couple other odds and ends. If you're new to our channel, thanks for joining us. Subscribe and like and share the video with other friends. Today I'm going to tear a few things apart. Now some of the junk pieces I've had for recycling. Once in a while you get something interesting, but it's usually I tear that down also. I thought if you wanted to get started junking, why not get started on something that's going to make you money? Now let's get started on a few fan motors. Taking off the motors and separating the metals. Now if you're a first time scrapper, you have to find copper. Copper is a poor man's gold, and electric motors are a good place to get you started on scrapping. Once you get your little pile of motors stacked up, you can be on your way to collecting some good hard cash. Now don't just stop at copper motors. How about this old fuse box? You say, psst, it's junk, I'll throw it out. I say, okay, I'll take that. Thank you very much. Now back to the goodies inside the fuse box. You have all these little pieces and brass and copper inside after you remove a few pieces just with the screwdriver. Now back to the motors. Get your pair of snips, side cutters, and start cutting. After you get the copper centers pushed out over a little bit to the side, it'll make it easier for you to pull it out with the screwdriver. Now use a sawzall if you have to cut it. You can use whatever you want. It's up to you. Now we come this far, why not pipes too? Few ends cut up, faucets are usually brass. Brass is your friend. You have to get the aluminum faucet handle separated, the rest is brass. Okay, now we have copper motors, copper pipes, fuse boxes, and television tube copper. This is an old big screen. You know, you've seen them. The big, huge TV screen that your friend has that nobody wants because it weighs 1,000,000 pounds. That's got copper in it also. We'll take that too, thank you very much. You know, I'm not gonna stop you there. There's just one more junk trick you can learn. Get some old security lights, what the heck? Let's tear them apart too. There's transformers inside. That's got copper windings. Now that you're getting the hang of junking, I know that you will search for this hidden treasure. Now you've graduated. Now that you learned that copper is a poor man's gold, you'll be on your way successfully recycling. And the best thing about recycling, it's going to put a little cash in your pocket to help pay your bills. Today me and my son are heading up to the junkyard. The last couple of days I've been cleaning up a little bit of scrapping here and there on my spare time, and we're going to head up there so we can cash out. I want to thank everyone for watching and subscribing and liking. We'll see you in the next one.